Welcome to United by Trucks. I'm Robbie, and today we're going to show you how to stop slamming your doors on a 67 to 72 C10. So if you know anything about old trucks, you know that sometimes you have to slam your door. Well, Trique Manufacturing, a really awesome company, great folks to work with. They've come up with a new latch striker setup called the Altman Easy Latch that is really easy to use, no pun intended. We're gonna be installing their setup on Teddy today. We're gonna show you how to install it. We're gonna give you a little review of the product, and then at the end, we're gonna stop slamming our doors and just easily shut our door. I got TTR here with me today, so we're gonna make this happen. We got the box here from Trique Manufacturing. Ron's over there playing on his phone, like always. This is their 67 to 72 striker block. This is their upgraded kit. You can see the part number there. Essentially, we'll show you these here in just a minute. Comes with all new hardware. And this is the heart of the kit right here. So what you see here is the actual Altman Easy Latch setup. Made in the USA. Obviously vehicle specific, bolt on application, no welding necessary. Works with your original interior and exterior handles.
It's like Christmas, but these ain't no socks.
That's right. Ain't no Crocs or socks.
Hey, whoa!
Trique Manufacturing. Send you a little decal. Obviously you've got some instructions and a pamphlet that comes with it. The heart of the system. This is the latch setup. All real quality looking stuff. Looks like it comes with full set of instructions.
Good thing they got pictures.
Yeah, so you got really detailed instructions here. There is some cutting required, but as the box says, there's no welding required, so that is great. We don't like to weld.
Ooh-wee. Look at that.
Good night. Man, that's crazy how light that is. So these are the billet striker plates. Now granted, this might be the only piece of billet, or at least shiny billet, on Teddy, but man, those are a sight to see. Goodness, those are beautiful. So we're just getting started here. Obviously we got the door panel removed, and there's some really extensive instructions that Trique provides you. So we're gonna go through, remove the door handle regulator, remove the lock rod button, remove the lock cylinder, and then ultimately we're gonna take out the latch here. Once we do that, we're gonna completely remove the latch assembly, lock rod, interior door handle regulator by feeding it through the large opening in your door shell, which would be right here.
Nailed it.
Got that. All right, so lock cylinder out. Thanks, man. You got a Phillips head? Now let's undo this latch. This is exactly why you want to upgrade your door latch setup. Look at all the corrosion. Look how rusty that is. Yeah, it still works, but doesn't those other parts look a lot better than this? So Ron has located the one for the driver's side. So tell us how you think this is gonna fit, Ron. About like that.
Get the welder.
No. You're gonna need a good trusty pair of scissors. You see those right there? You're gonna need those.
Harbor Freight, 99 cents. I got some at home.
And the reason you're gonna need them is because Trique, being the awesome company that they are, provides you this template to cut out and then utilize as a template to cut the door. So, next move, cut out this template.
I will rent you scissors cheap.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys, template cut out. So what we got to do is remove this bolt from the window channel here inside, and basically that's going to be a locator. You can see this hole, maybe you can't, but you can see this hole right here. It's going to be the locator for the template, and hang tight, we're going to get this bolt out. The template is to be used for both the driver and passenger side.
So don't screw up.
So don't mess up the template or lose it. We've located the template with the bolt in it. This is the crease line where the template has a dotted line on the bottom. So we're just going to run a couple of pieces of tape on here and then trace this template. And obviously that's going to give us the outline we need to cut on the door. So Ron's going to get that dialed in. Let's go right there. So we're just tracing right here around the template.
Got a college degree and can't trace.
Man, that's something. Okay, you can see where we've got this thing essentially marked off. It's a little sloppy because, well, just because I can't draw a straight line very well even when I'm tracing. So TTR is going to take and cut it out because he's the chop man.
I like to have round corners instead of squared off, so I'm just going to take and put
Little body man technique.
It ain't easy being a lefty.
Now, he ain't gonna wear no gloves, but you better believe he's gonna put these goggles on.
Safety first, kids. Don't let anybody ever tell you you can't use a cutoff wheel same as a grinder. I made that whole corner. There you go. TTR out.
I believe that's it right there.
You just right there.
All right, so Trique gives you this ear right here, and on some trucks you need it, some trucks you don't. So you would trim that off if you don't need it. In this case, we do need it. There's that little pocket there, fits right up in there, and I think it's another way to just really help locate this thing. But you can see, I mean, this is a really precision cut piece. It fits in here perfectly. It's got the appropriate lip here and valley to fit down in this little part of the door. So we're gonna drill these holes out, refer back to the instructions, and get this thing installed, clean this up.
Cool thing is there's no metal hanging inside of any of the latch area, so you know you got it. So you're not gonna have anything rubbing. There's no obstacle in the way, so it should just open and shut.
Dialed. Trique manufacturer knows what's up.
These are super cool.
Hey guys, just want to jump in here real quick, let you know, not only did Trique Manufacturing provide the Altman Easy Latch setup for Teddy, but they want to give you, yes, one of the UBT community members, a chance at winning your own Altman Easy Latch. Guess what? They're not just for C10 trucks. They actually make them for 47 to 72 Chevy trucks and from 40 to 56 Ford trucks. So how much more United by Trucks can you get? You got them for Ford and Chevy. All you got to do is head over to Instagram, give them a follow, and go comment on their latest picture. Tag a buddy who needs to stop slamming their doors. Or you can sign up on their website via the link we've got down in the description below. And the giveaway ends October 15th. So be sure you take action today. All right, so we got the plate in, as you can see. It's supposed to be 3/4 of an inch from the center of this bolt to the top of the plate. Now we've got 7 1/4-inch holes to drill around, so we're gonna go ahead and pilot hole this one and then mark the rest of them and drill those, but we just wanna make sure that we've got it lined up the entire way. So in the instructions, Trique tells you, this is on the rod that runs into the latch itself. So you measure down 1/8 of an inch, you cut the tip off, and then you measure down 1/2 an inch from there and make a mark. And then you put this rod in the vise and then bend a new tip here. Essentially, you're cutting this off and making a new tip just a little bit farther down. Then we've got a new clip that will attach this rod to the new latch.
Dude, I could get a job at the factory bending these rods daily.
Yeah, you nailed that. We're gonna take and go ahead and attach it to the latch setup with this tiny little clip. And then we're gonna run the whole latch, or we're gonna run the whole little regulator, handle regulator, through that big giant hole we cut in the door. Okay, so you can see we got that on there, clipping it in now. Yep, takes 3 people, 1 with a camera and 2 actually doing it. We got the rod going in to the Altman Easy Latch. Got it clipped in. We're gonna slide this whole assembly through this awesome hole that Ron cut. Put it in here. The hole's lined up there.
Holes lined up here.
And
call that a win.
Call that a win. The latch is in there. So y'all hang tight. We're gonna zip all this up. All right, guys, so I know this is really tight to my face, but I want you to really focus on this striker plate. Old, antiquated stuff. New, nice, shiny. Really, in this case, putting lipstick on a pig kind of stuff. But these are an optional upgrade through Trique. They provide you just some regular flat steel plates in the Altman Easy Latch setup, but you can upgrade to these billet plates. They went ahead and sent along these for Teddy. Obviously, these are way too nice for Teddy. We're gonna throw them on here just for laughs, and so you can see what they look like on the truck. So here we go. We got the billet striker plate on there. Obviously there's gonna be some adjustment with it. TTR is a body guy, so this is his specialty. Check how it closes, make sure everything's starting to line up. Wait, sounds like we're high or low. We're not that far off.
I'm low.
All right, looks like we're a little low. So we're gonna take the plate loose and bump it up a little bit. All right, so we're feeling pretty confident we got the final fitment here. Gonna take it easy and go all the way in. Man, and that gap, it's looking real nice. Okay, so that thing pops open real nice. Just give it a good shut, and that sucker. Oh man, I'm loving this.
It'll get better too. Your weather strip will settle in.
That's new weather stripping I've got in the truck too, so that is going to provide a little bit of resistance. But man, I'm really happy with that. You can see we got the plate installed there. Ron got it all adjusted.
3 adjustments.
3, 4, 5 adjustments. The Altman Easy Latch is installed. As you'll recall, we got the rod rebent. We cut it down, rebent it. We got this back installed. As you all know, this is an old farm truck, so my lock rod is all broken and not attached, so we're not even going to worry about that. I'm going to be replacing that at some other juncture. So all we're going to do now, put the door panel back on, put the handles back on, show you how this thing works from the inside out. We're really pleased. This is a really cool setup. All right guys, so we're in the truck. Inside handle here, we got the Trique Manufacturing Altman Easy Latch set up with the billet striker plates installed. And I want to show you how easy it is to open this door handle. So essentially, you just give it a little bit of a tug and that joker breaks free. And just a little bit of tug. Ron, give that door a nice little easy push.
You don't need all that now.
Nah.
You just...
And you give it a little pop it there. Then I'm going to show you. Pretty sweet. We got the Altman Easy Latch installed from Trique Manufacturing. We got the billet striker plates installed. Thanks to TTR and John for helping make it happen. But what I want to show you is how easy and how nicely these parts perform. So pop the button there. You get out of the truck, or just say you're shutting it from the outside. I mean, it is unbelievable how well these work. It actually makes me feel like my door rattles less. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty impressive. Man, I'm really happy. So really appreciate you, Trique Manufacturing, for providing us these latches and striker plates. You guys are building an awesome product. Really appreciate you letting us test them out on Teddy. they work flawlessly. Thanks to Trique Manufacturing, we're gonna drop a discount code specifically for United by Trucks viewers, the community, the audience. We're gonna drop that down in the description. If you wanna pick you up a set of the Altman Easy Latches or the striker plates, as we mentioned before, the Altman Easy Latch kit comes with the regular steel plates, but you can upgrade to the billet striker plates. But definitely want to go down to the description, check out that discount code, head over to Trique Manufacturing's website, which will also be listed down in the description. Pick you up a set of these Altman Easy Latches and stop slamming your doors. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this episode of United by Trucks, brought to you by Trique Manufacturing. Their Altman Easy Latch, man, what an awesome setup. Like I said, be sure to head down to the description, check out that discount code, go to their website, and grab you a pair of these. And if you want to upgrade, have something a little nicer, grab the billet striker plate while you're there. Really appreciate you tuning in to this episode of United by Trucks. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Definitely smash the thumbs up button below the screen if you like what you saw, and leave a comment. Let Trique Manufacturing know what you think about this awesome product. I'm going to go ahead and be a little biased and tell you I'm really happy with it. We've always had issues with shutting the doors on these trucks, and man, this setup right here, man, it's so cool. It makes it so easy, and you can do it with simple hand tools with a couple of buddies in your garage, which is exactly what we did. So appreciate you tuning in. We'll catch you next time on United by Trucks. Cue the music.